That right there is why I got on a plane from the Bay to LA at 7 a.m. in the morning so I could be first to see that. The Cybertruck. It's so beautiful. I'm over here at the Petersen Museum and we have the Cybertruck behind us. And it's the original prototype, it's not the latest and greatest, but still, this thing is phenomenal to see in person. It's like unreal. It's CGI IRL. This is the handmade prototype that originally was unveiled. You can tell because it has the door handles, it has the charge port, has no mirrors, but it is just so unrealistic looking. Like it's so wild. So right now the truck is actually in what's known as dump mode. So the rear is lower than the front of the car, and that's because right now it's actively in cyberquad load position. So you want to reduce the height here so that the Cybertruck can be loaded up easier. Man, I can't wait to camp in the back of this thing. It's so cool. So cool. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. It's been a while since I've done a video, but I thought that this might be an occasion to do one. So yeah, if you like this video, please gently tap that like button and consider subscribing. Peace. Ha ha ha.